since most of us studying at home or hostel right now,
when we want to do some revision and need our particular stationery, such as a highlighter or pen, we often misplace it somewhere.
Then you try to find it somewhere around your study table. Why not you have a box that can keep all those stationery?
So, today we want to demonstrate to you how to make stationery box so that you can keep all of your stationery.
Like many DIY projects, let's start by collecting our material. The first step is to gather the material. There are several supplies that are essential to complete the project. The first item is a box, but the most suitable box that we use is shoe box. This is because a shoe box can fit all the items inside it. The second item is color paper. We use color paper because it will be more attractive. The function of using this color paper is to cover each side of the box and around the compartment. Next, the item that we need during this DIY project are double-sided tape and scissors. Last but not least, glue and ruler also are the most important item during this DIY project. By the way, some supplies are optional based on your creativity, such as plastic page protector. This is because plastic page protector can protect the color paper from wet if exposed to water. Not only that, the scissors we use is a decorative scissor that can cut the paper to the shape of edges. Besides, divider is an optional based on your innovation that we want. The stickers that we use is to enhance the stationery box body. Lastly, paint the box instead of wrapping with the paper. Now that we have collected all the materials, we can create our covers.
alright, by using a ruler, measure the length of the shoe box like this and find where is the center of the shoe box. Then mark it with the marker pen and draw a line like this all over the center of the box. So we have line. After that, on this side, draw a triangle just like this. Draw the triangle shape like this on both sides. Then by using a cutter or scissor, cut the line that we have drawn with the marker just now, like this. You need to be careful while you using the cutter or the scissor. Repeat this step on both sides. Alright, after done cutting the triangle, we can fold it like this so that it can stand. So it can be stand like this. So you also can cut another cardboard to cover this side like this. So we are halfway there for the next step, wrapping this box.
The compartment and wrap the box with paper in the base. By using glue or double-sided tape and color paper or wrap, then we must wrap the box neatly. You also can use any kind of sticker to make this box beautiful. Okay, now we are making the small tube compartments. We must prepare at least 15 small tube compartments. We fit as much the compartment into this box. According to your preference, you may place the small tube or one both side of the base compartment. Now we fit it in this part.
Ta-da! This is how it looks. So let's organize all this stationery into this box. First is the colorful pens. We put in first compartment. Second is the usual pen we used is red, black and blue, and you can put any pencils in the second compartment. Third compartment we put highlighters. Put the highlighters in this compartment, and then ruler and the scissors we put in here, and then the others are liquid paper and glue and pencil leads. We got 2 pencil leads here. In the tiny compartment we put ointment, rubber and pen drive. So this is first compartment. The second side that do not have any compartments, we put our notebook, and we can put sticky notes here. I would like to put the hand sanitizer because once I am done with my work, I always apply hand sanitizer to keep clean. So this is how we organize our organizer box, stationery box. Other than that, you can write your name here or write any quote that will motivate you to study. This is the close-up our stationery box. This is the side that do not have any compartments. This is the side that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments, and the tiny compartment here. We can put anything like small things. So that's all. From me. Thank you.
So let's recap all those steps. The first step is to gather the materials. The second step is to cut and fold the box into shape. Make sure you use the scissors carefully. The third step is to decorate the box. And the last one is to organize all your stationery into the box. So ta-da! This is our DIY stationery box. Now you can place all your stationery in one place. Later, you will not having a hard time to find your missing stationery. With your own preferences, you also can decorate your box according to your own creativity. So what are you waiting for? Try it yourself for an amazing DIY stationery box.